Welcome, lesson hidden in everyday life, morning assembly series. There is a 5-day weekly assembly speeches about principal teachers in my cricket. Today I would like to share with you a simple yet powerful thought. Be like a flowing water. Have you ever noticed how flowing water finds its own path? When it's meets an obstacles, a rock, a fallen tree, or even a wall, it doesn't stop. Sometimes it changes its directions, sometimes it flows over the obstacles. But it never gives up until it reaches its destinations, the river, the sea, or the oceans. In the same way, life will always place obstacles in our path, problems, failures, and challenges. Instead of stopping or feeling defeated, we should learn to adapt. If one path is blocked, we can look for another's. If we can't go around, we can rise above with courage and determination. Remember, just like water, persistence is the key. If you keep moving forward one step at a time, nothing can stop you from reaching your goals. So, my friends, let us promise ourselves today we will be like a flowing water, flexible, determined, and unstoppable. Thank you. Be like a water. Keep moving, keep growing, and have a wonderful day ahead. Welcome. Life hidden in everyday life. Morning assembly series. Day 2. Good morning, respected principals, teacher, and my dear friends. Almost all of us love watching cricket. But have we ever thought that the cricket is not just a game? It is a life lesson in mask. In cricket, no batsman can score a run alone. He needs a partner at the other hand. Just like in life, to achieve any goal, we need the support and cooperation of others, be it friend, family, or colleagues. In the game, there is always an opponent, bowlers and fielders, trying to stop you from scoring. In life too, there will be people who throw in negative comments, find faults, and try to discourage us. But we remember, these bouncers and googlies are just a part of the match. There is also the umpire in cricket who takes important decisions in our life. That umpire is our inner voice, our consciousness. We must listen to it to make the right choices. And finally, imagine a stadium full of people shouting, some cheering, some booming. A good player focuses only on the ball, not on the noise. Similarly, in the life, no matter how much noise, gossip, or criticism surround us, we must concentrate on our work and keep moving towards our goal. So, my dear friends, my dear students, play the game of life with teamwork, courage, discipline, and focus. And remember, you are the batsman of your own innings. With these thoughts, I wish you all a focused day ahead where you play your best shots in the match called life. Thank you. Have a winning days. Lesson hidden in everyday life. Morning assembly series. Day 3. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. Every week we cut our nails. Have you ever thought nails never harm us? In fact, they protect our fingertips. Yet, when they grow too long, they start to scratch, collect dirt, and become uncomfortable. That's when we cut them. This teaches an important life lessons. Even if something is good, when it crosses its limit, people remove it. In relationship too. If we cross the boundaries, dominate others, or become over-involved, we might hurt instead of helping. Just like nails, we must know our limit. But here is another truth. Even after cutting, nails grow back. Similarly, in life, even if our help is rejected or our care is misunderstood, we should not stop loving and helping our dear ones. We just need to help within the right boundaries. So friends, remember, be helpful but not dominating. Be caring but not controlling. Respect the boundaries and your relationship will stay strong. Thank you. Have a wonderful day filled with the kindness and balance. Lessons hidden in everyday life. Morning assembly series. Day 4. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. When we start our journey of learnings in the very first years, we all use pencils. Why? Because with pencils, we can easily erase our mistakes and try again. It teaches an important lesson. In the beginning, we must be ready to accept our mistakes and learn from them without fear. Then, as we grow and enter the higher class, like a class 5, we begin to use a pen. Now, it is not so easy to erase our mistake. Even if we try, there will be a faint stain or mark left behind. Life is the same. As we grow older, our mistake may leave marks. People may forgive, but the memories remains. So, we must start thinking before we write, before we speak, and before we act. Finally, one day, we start using a ballpoint pens, refills. Its writing is so strong and permanent, no eraser can remove it. This is like adulthood, where our actions create a lasting impact. Once something is done, it can't be undone. That's why we must learn from our pencil days, be careful like in our pen days, and then act wisely when we reach the ballpoint stage of life, that means adult age. Friends, remember, life gives us a chance to learn, but as we move forward, those chances become fewer. So make your learning days count. Practice good habit now and write your life stories beautifully. Thank you, and may we all write today's page of life with care, wisdom, and positivity. Lesson hidden in everyday life. Morning assembly series, day 5. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. Have you ever noticed something interesting about our bodies? You can fold your hands forward, but not backward. You can fold your legs backward, but not forward. These simple facts have deep life lessons hidden in them. Our helping and giving hand teaches that in life, we should be the first to serve, to help, and to give. Never hesitate to extend our hand towards someone in need. Our leading leg teaches another valuable lesson. When we realize we are walking in the wrong directions, we should be ready to take a step back, to correct our path, and then move forward again with the confidence. So, my dear friends, let our hand be ready to serve and our legs be wise enough to change the directions when needed. This way, will not only move ahead in the life, but also move in the right directions. This way, we will not only move ahead in our life, but also move in the right directions. Thank you, and may your day be filled with the helping hands and the wise steps.